In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Excel and PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work or school, knowing how to manage links between these two applications is crucial. We'll walk through a simple process to ensure your PowerPoint slides no longer rely on external Excel files, giving you more control over your content. Plus, by removing these links, you won't have to worry about changes in your Excel file unexpectedly updating your slides. Let's start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You'll want to locate and open the PowerPoint presentation that contains the links you wish to remove. Once your presentation is open, navigate to the specific slide which contains the embedded or linked data from your Excel file. This could be anything from graphs and charts to custom datasets. Now that you're on the correct slide, find the specific object or data that contains the link. This is typically indicated by editable elements within your slide, such as charts or tables derived from Excel. Once you've spotted the linked element, position your mouse over it and go ahead and right-click on it. This action will open up a context menu offering several options directly related to the object you've selected. In the context menu, look through the options until you find one labelled Remove Link. Selecting this option will effectively sever the connection between the object in your PowerPoint slide and the original data in your Excel workbook. This is a vital step if you plan to share or modify your presentation independent of the original Excel file, as it ensures that no future changes in the Excel data will reflect on your PowerPoint slide, maintaining the integrity of your presentation. Once you click on Remove Link, the link is disentangled, leaving your presentation fully functional and editable, minus the active ties to Excel. This can be especially beneficial if you are sending the PowerPoint to someone without access to the original data source, or if you're archiving a version of your work that won't need further data updates. By unlinking the slides, you're essentially freezing the data in its current format, eliminating any dynamic updates. Remember, if you ever need to re-establish the connection, you'll simply insert the data from the Excel file as you did initially, allowing flexibility in how you manage your data sources. And that's it. Unlinking Excel and PowerPoint is a straightforward process but can make all the difference in managing your presentations effectively. It's a handy skill to have, ensuring your content remains exactly the way you want it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on navigating Office applications like a pro.